Welcome to Library Science Academy and I am Safia Jbeen. Today I am here with a new topic that is about database. What is database? A database is collection of information that is organized so that it can be accessed, managed and updated. A database is usually controlled by a database management system that is called DBMS. A database can be easily accessed, managed, modified, updated, controlled, and organized. There are different types of databases. Some are personal, others are commercial, relational databases, and SQL databases. Top academic research databases include Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, ERIC, IEEE, ScienceDirect, JSTOR, Emerald. There are also library science specific databases like LISA and LISTA. And we can also find library science articles in EBSCO, ProQuest, and Emerald because these are multidisciplinary databases. Some databases are multidisciplinary and some are subject specific databases. Like EBSCO is a multidisciplinary database, Emerald is also a multidisciplinary database, and ScienceDirect is a science, basically natural science and natural science database. And it also includes pure science articles and other science articles. And now we tell that why libraries subscribe databases. Libraries buy subscriptions to databases so learners and users of library can find useful and interesting information from databases. Like library databases contain tons of information. These include scholarly peer-reviewed articles. There are some free databases like EBSCO and LISTA, and there are also many other databases that require subscription from the library. So viewers, I hope you understand the definition and types of database. Thank you.